Most people think that making AI videos is hard. Well, it's not. Actually, it's never been easier than it is today. This is a stunning AI video of me that I made without leaving Claude. Matter of fact, you could make 4K videos, voiceovers, movies, full ads if you want to, without leaving the Claude app. The only reason why this may feel complicated is because there's so many tools that are out there. So today, I'm going to show you 6 awesome features that will put you ahead of 99% of the people who are just too afraid to make an AI video because they think that it's too hard. And I'm going to use one of my favorite tools, which is Higgsfield. And we're going to do this all inside of the Claude app. So let's go. First, I want to thank Higgsfield for being an amazing partner and for sponsoring this video. I literally use them for all my video projects, and almost every animation that you see on my channel includes some type of element from Higgsfield. And look at these. In a second, I'm going to show you how you can make all of these yourself. And if you don't already know, Higgsfield is one of the biggest AI media tools that are out there. And for me, the reason why I like this so much is because it runs right inside of the Claude desktop app. It is using Higgsfield MCP or connector, but I'm going to show you how to set that up towards the end of the video so you could do all of this yourself. So you really could use AI media for anything. You could use it for trending social media videos. You could use it for marketing your own products, which, by the way, is exactly what we're going to do today, because last year I wrote a book that sold tens of copies, which clearly could use a little bit more marketing help. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this plain book cover. This is my book. I'm going to take this plain book cover and I'm going to run it through a whole AI marketing sequence through Higgsfield, where each feature is going to build on the last until we get this amazing finished video ad at the end. Then, of course, we're going to throw this into a movie cameo to make it even cooler. So let's jump right into Higgsfield feature number 1, which is marketing grade images. Okay, so our goal here is to take my sad little book cover and turn it into something that looks like a professional marketing team made it. And for that, we're going to use Higgsfield's image tool. Now, I'm going to do all this inside of Claude, but I wanted to quickly show you the Higgsfield website and what it actually looks like. So take a look at this. If I hover over image up here, take a look at all the models on the right side. It has every top image model you can think of right here. If you don't recognize all of them, that's okay. Claude and Higgsfield are going to take a look at your ask, and they are going to pick the best model for you. So take a look at some of these images that it's creating, and look how realistic they are. And I want to put this to the test. So here's the thing. I'm going to take my book cover, my sad book cover, and I'm going to ask Claude to turn it into a real physical hardback book with one prompt. And watch as it runs here. Now you can actually see that it's deciding which model that it's going to create this in. And just like that, here is my book cover. Now here's the real copy of my book. It's not as thick as that, but it does look good, right? And one really important thing that I want to point out here is that image that it just created. The MCP actually downloaded it right onto our computer, and you can see it right up here. It's already sitting in my project folder. All right, so we're starting out with something easy, but now we need to personalize this a little bit. We need to go to Higgsfield feature number 2, which is creating your sole ID character. We got the hardback cover, but what we really want is a video of me holding that hardback cover. And to do that, we need to build a digital version of me. And on Higgsfield, that is called a character. So let me go to the character page on Higgsfield so you can see it. And right here, it shows you exactly how it works. Now, remember, we're going to do all of this on Claude, but I want to show you the website so you can see exactly what it's looking for. So you can see that's asking for you to upload around 20 photos of yourself. It wants a clear face, doesn't want you to be with a bunch of people. Different angles of your face will be good. And once it's done, you can use that same consistent version of yourself across every image, across every video. And it's not going to be a face that drifts or looks different in every single scene. It's going to be actually you every time. So I'm going to grab 15 to 20 photos. I'm going to upload them, and then I should be good to go. So let's go ahead and train this character of me. And to do that, I'm going to use this prompt, which is basically telling Claude to take 15 of these photos and train a character on Higgsfield. And of course, I'll hit enter. Okay, it's done, and now it knows my face. So I did put it to the test. I created a couple of photos, one of me on stage, one of me in a studio, and I'm holding my book. And take a look at these. These actually look really good. Now, this is the kind of thing that I probably would pay a photographer for if it ended up looking this good. But I don't need to anymore because I have Higgsfield. And now that my face is locked in, we can move on to Higgsfield feature number 3, which is turning this into a cinematic video. All right, so we have the image on my book. We have my face trained. And so now we want to bring this to life by making a video. Now back on Higgsfield's website, you can hover over a video and take a look at all the models here. These are the best ones in the world. Let's take a look at some of these examples. Now you can just scroll down and watch all of these if you want to, but if you double click on one of these, it opens up and you can see the exact prompt over on the right side here. So if you ever want to borrow one, You can just copy the prompt. You can paste it in. You can put yourself in there. You can change it or tweak it or do whatever you want, but still get a very similar result. But remember, we are going to do all of ours inside of Claude. And what I want to create a cinematic video that takes an outside Earth view and zooms all the way in through a window of me sitting on a couch or at a chair, drinking coffee and reading my book. So let's go ahead and create a prompt for this and put it in and see what we get. All right, now take a look at this. This is a cinematic video that I asked for, has me holding the book. It's zooming right in just like I asked for it. And if you would ask an agency to create this for you, they may charge hundreds or thousands of dollars to produce this. And I did it with just one sentence inside of Claude through Higgsfield, which is amazing. So let's move on to Higgsfield feature number 4, which is cloning your voice. Okay, so what if we wanted to put a voiceover in our own voice on this cinematic video to tell a little story? Well, to do that, we need to clone our voice inside of Higgsfield. So again, I'm going to show you on their website that if I hover over audio, you're going to see that they have the leading voice models right here, even 11 labs. And if you scroll down, you'll see a few things that you can do. One of which is a voiceover, which just turns your typed text into actual voice. So this is what I'm going to do. I happen to have one of my old YouTube videos here, and I'm going to upload just the first 30 seconds of it. That's all Higgsfield asks for. And I'm going to use this prompt right here, which is basically saying, take this audio clip of me and clone my voice and use it to tell a quick story about my book. And within just a few minutes, it looks like it's done. So let's take a quick listen and see what it sounds like.
Somewhere down there, on a planet of 8 billion people, one person stopped watching AI happen and started using it.
And okay, I like it. It's not too bad. Now I basically have my own voiceover artist for life anytime that I want to use it. And hey, really quick, before I show you the best feature inside of Higgsfield, I do want to ask one quick favor, and that is for you to please subscribe. It helps out the channel. And after this video, click the Higgsfield link in the description to check it out for yourself. But let's go back to Higgsfield feature number 5, which is turning a link into a finished ad. All right, now listen, this one is really cool. And I want to take a minute to explain it on Higgsfield's website first, because they have a thing called Marketing Studio, and it turns your product into a finished ad. Now, when I click into it, you'll see a UGC button and you'll see a commercial button. Now, UGC stands for user generated content. And that's a style of video where a regular person looks like they're filming themselves on a phone and they're talking about a product. And you probably have seen that everywhere. If you're on TikTok, you certainly have seen it because this works really well. And that's exactly why we're making it. But the key thing here is that these presenters are characters of Higgsfield. They're already loaded in there for you. They're not real people. Now, I can make one of these with my own face, but they do have much better actors inside of here. So I'm going to pick one of theirs. Now, to do this, you're going to want to take your product page. So my book happens to be on Amazon. So I'm going to take that Amazon link and I'm going to have it build the entire ad for me. And it's going to build the script. It's going to build the presenter and it's going to do all of the editing for me and package it all up. And to do that, I'm going to use this prompt right here. Now, this prompt is basically telling Claude to pull my book from Amazon and use the UGC style ad with one of their avatars. I'm also going to ask it to check with me first, right? So I can approve who the avatar is. And I want to check the details before it runs because it is creating this ad without my guidance. It's just taking information from the website and some of my product images. All right, well, it's done. So let's take a look.
Okay, I did not expect to get this hooked on a book this fast. I picked up The Smartest Move thinking I'd read one chapter, and I finished half of it in a sitting. It's one of those reads that actually makes you rethink your next big decision. Honestly, just go grab it.
But that brings us to the last Higgsfield feature that we're going to show off today, which is Higgsfield feature number 6, casting yourself in a movie. And so my idea was that I wanted to put myself in a movie and have my book shown right into it, of course. We want that to be front and center. So I'm going to grab a prompt here, and I'm going to use this as a starting point. I'm going to change it up a little bit just so I'm in there and my book's in there. But basically, I'm going to drop this prompt right into Claude, and I'm going to tell it to build this whole cinematic scene for me. And after about 5 minutes, it looks like it is done. So let's watch it together. That's the power of Higgsfield. First of all, I should be an actor. I looked great in that movie. All of these features that we put together, that is the power of Higgsfield. Whether you're promoting a product, whether you just want to have fun and put yourself into a viral video, this is exactly how you do it. This is Higgsfield. This is what I use, and you can run this all right inside of Claude. To do that, though, you need to make sure that you're connected first, which means that you need to install an MCP or add the connector. So let me show you quickly how to do that. First, you want to make sure that Claude is open. Then you're going to go to Settings, and then over to Connectors. Then you click on Customize, and you hit the plus button up here. You're going to want to name this Higgsfield, and then you're going to paste in the URL that's right here. I put it at the bottom of the screen. I'm also going to put it in the description, and then you click Add. After you click Add, a window's going to pop up. It's going to ask you to log into your Higgsfield account, and then once you authorize it, you are good to go. That is it. Hopefully, your brain started thinking about different ways that you could use AI media with Higgsfield right inside of Claude. Now, as you'd expect, this does run on credits. There are credits in Claude that's being used. There are credits in Higgsfield that are being used. It's not free, but I do encourage you to try this out because it is absolutely amazing, as you saw. So go in there and try it out and see what you can make, and I will see you in the next one.